grout pans is because we want to fill in the micro pits. Micro pits are very, very small. So like right here at the tip of the scratch test, you can actually hear as that pick goes across and then down into and out of that void. That's a pinhole. That's exactly what we want to fill with the grout pans, with the marble flour and the epoxy resin.
People have asked about using concrete dust to do the filling, or to be used to do the filling. Randomly, what you're going to find inside your concrete dust, besides other contaminants, are going to be large contaminants or products that are going to have to be screened out. In a pinch, the concrete dust can work, but it's an unknown material. As I feel it in my hands here, I feel grit, I feel some chunks. It's just random construction debris that's been sucked into the vacuum. The idea is that without having a lot of control over the quality of the product, we're going to end up with chunks and hunks in it that if we don't screen it out, we're going to end up with this problem. And you'll see later that this is going to be an inconvenience. So using the concrete dust from the job site, it is convenient, but it is risky. And it does work, it's a nice trick. I don't recommend it. I prefer marble flour because marble flour is graded, it's dried, it's produced to a certain quality, a certain refinement, and also the fact that the dust itself is very consistent, very much like baby powder, but more importantly, it's been screened and it's been quality controlled to make sure that the material that comes out of the bag is exactly the same every time. So it's dry and it's free of contaminants. 50 pounds, it'll go about 1,000 square feet, and a 50-pound bag doesn't cost but 10 bucks a bag. The access to it might be a little bit more difficult than just regular concrete dust, but the nice thing about this material is that whatever resin you put this with, you know you won't have any adverse reactions because it's very absorptive and it's very pure and dry. And that's the most important thing if you're intending to mix this material with any kind of resinous material.